Good morning, friends. So today we are going to be doing the vinyl floor. I am so pumped that we get to put in the vinyl floor today. I just have to do a couple things. I'm going to clean it all out first, lay down the floor. I'm going to cut around because I cut 2 inches on each side. So I'm going to have to make it a little bit more exact now. And then we're going to go ahead. I'll show you how to glue it down. We'll glue it down to the subfloor and then we'll let it sit. And hopefully it looks awesome. Stay with me and let's get this thing done. So it started to rain outside and I had to close the door, so we're gonna get some pretty awesome light in here. I'll do the best I can. I'll open the doors when I can, but for the most part I'm gonna keep them closed. So what you're gonna need for this job is this little guy right here. It's basically like a grout trowel or a glue trowel. This is one that is 1.5 mil, and you can see these little teeth. Hopefully you can see them. You want the smaller teeth, the better. The other thing I'm using is this right here. Robert's 7350, and it's a universal flooring adhesive. So I'll leave that up so you guys can freeze frame it, but I'm using 2 quarts, and hopefully that's enough. We'll see. All right. All the subfloor, all the vinyl floor is all in, it's ready to go, and now all I have to do is build benches, get upholstered seats, put up shiplap, do the roof, and throw down some more insulation. It seems like a lot, but I'm super pumped. This is a great start. It's the foundation for what I'm going to be building on, so I'm super excited that this is all done and that it's in. So stay with me, and remember guys, create what you love.